It seems that it's difficult for a pregnant lady, and she wants the checkup to be done quickly. Security seems suspicious about her. Gabriel just noticed that food is not allowed inside. He is trying to hide his watermelon while the security decided to check whether the woman is really pregnant. Oh, it seems that she actually has a baby inside her belly. Gabriel is looking at the woman's belly. Oh, he has an idea! Gabriel, is that you? No way security is going to believe that he's a pregnant lady, right? Right? It looks like she wants to scan him, but because of the previous embarrassment, the lady isn't gonna do that. But wait! She slipped on the banana peel! No! No! Not on the belly! The baby! Phew! It's only a watermelon. Sorry. You! Get out! Let me check your passport. Achoo! Why are there so many sick people today? Achoo! I'll have to put a face mask on you. Go! Bacteria and viruses everywhere. Daniel noticed the disinfectant fluid and had an idea how to sneak his Sprite inside. While security is back to being busy, Daniel took away her disinfectant. What is he planning to do with it? Firstly, we'll need an empty bottle. Now, let's pour in some Sprite. And finally, let's put the sign indicating that it's disinfectant on the bottle with Sprite. Ta-da! It's done! Mmm, so yummy! Hello, let me check your passport. Do you have any snacks? No, of course not. Then what is that? I knew you were hiding something! Look, it's only hand sanitizer. Oh, okay. Neutralizing germs on your hands is very good. The liquid is so sticky that he can't pull his hands apart. Goodbye. Namaste. Namaste to you, too. Take your passport and go. He can't pick it up with his hands. That's why he picked it with his mouth. What a strange man. Are those chips? Can't you see the sign saying no food allowed? Give me that. Huh? Let me through! Emergency! What's with all the rush? What's inside your briefcase? There has been a report of biological contamination. Look at her briefcase! There's something leaking from it! Huh? There's some dark liquid leaking out of her briefcase. Is this liquid dangerous? It's fine. I have to scan you. Security is using the X-ray machine to find out what is inside Sophia's briefcase. What? There's soda inside? You tried to trick me! Oops! Looks like security was also hiding something sweet! Hey! That's not fair! If you can have candy, we can have it too! While Sophia is arguing with the security, others snuck inside. Good job, Sophie! Hello there. Stop. Do you have any junk food with you? Junk food? Of course not. Okay, but to make sure, I'll scan you. The girls seem to be a little bit worried, don't they? Aha! Something is hidden here. There's nothing there. And now he's in an uncomfortable position. I am sorry. My scanner must be broken. How dare he! Oh no, Madison! What happened to you? It was only a disguise! And we brought something for you! Kit Kat and Haribo gummies! Yay! Oops! I'm sorry! Me too. Huh? Their bags are identical! Did he take the right one? Hey, you two, stop! No junk food is allowed! Madison, why are you so nervous? Show me your bag. Bandages? But I had drinks! Wait, I must have switched my bag with the nurses. Here, take it. You! Me? What's inside your bag? I got an idea! I wonder what they came up with. You! Get back here! Oh my! Do you have any junk food? No? Okay, you can go inside. Madison! What happened to you? They used bandages to hide the candy underneath it! Yay, candy!
Don't ever call here again!
Oh no! I can't bring my candy inside! Where should I hide it? Doctor's coat? Wait a minute. What if I use my gummy strips as a… Stop! Please, give me one of your coats.
Money first.
But I have no money. Only these.
Aw. Give me that chocolate and we'll be good.
Okay.
Here, take it.
Ew, it stinks. Hi.
Gosh.
Bad day, huh? I feel you.
Give me a thumb. Medicine rocks.
Yeah.
Ah.
Hi. Look. These crosses are edible. Here's your medicine. And that's not all. Ta-da! Those gummy crosses taste so good.
We confiscated a very nice lollipop.
I didn't expect to see you here.
Do you have any candy with you?
No, don't be silly. That's impossible.
What's that behind your back?
Look behind you, an escaping prisoner.
What? Where?
Time to save ourselves from this situation. Here we go. Stick it.
What was that?
Look, I don't have anything. I saw the prisoner run over there.
Okay. Let me check then. Wait a minute.
I'm so hungry, I'm going to eat these prison bars.
Prisoner, have you not escaped?
There's candy. Officer, look, the prisoner went that way.
Where?
Over there, officer, he ran there.
Where? I can't see anything.
Oh, I'm sorry, I think he's over there.
That makes sense.
Oh, yes, candy.
I am the master of fighting. Ka-chow!
Oh, careful! You want to hurt my baby, you careless blue man.
Oh, I'm sorry. Why did you come here?
I came here to see my husband.
Okay, give me a second. I need to check the list. What's his name?
Anderson?
I can't find anyone named Anderson.
Well, then you have to check again.
Well, he's not here.
Let's spice things up with some more crying now. What do you mean he's not here? You put my husband in this stinky jail, leaving me and my baby alone.
Oh, please. I can't take it anymore. Okay, that's it. Show me what you have in your bag. What's that? Diapers?
What else do you think I'd be carrying?
All right, just get out of my sight.
Amazing. Hey, Madison! Charlotte, you came to visit me. Look what I have over here. Oh my gosh, is it a baby? No, it's snacks. Oh, it's snacks. So good to get some food. Oh, wait, my head got stuck between the bars. Wait, I have some baby oil. Let me use it to get your head out. Here you go. Oh, thank you. I thought I'd be stuck here forever. Come here, little baby. Let me take care of you.
Hey! Not so fast. What's this? Have you not seen the sign? Candy is not allowed, or food.
Oh, maybe I missed it this time.
Hand it over.
Oh, okay. Here, take it. What's this? I can stick this on. Good, I have an idea.
Oh, my back, it's so itchy. Stop right there.
Oh, okay.
Do you have anything illegal with you?
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Yes, officer, I'm 100% sure.
Let me scan you.
Oh, okay, scan me if you need to.
What's this? The scanner is picking something up.
It's only my t-shirt.
Okay, I'll try one more time just to be sure. Again, same thing. Let me try on myself. Something is wrong with this thing. You can go.
Thank you. Hey, Madison. Hey, Charlotte. Look what I have on my t-shirt, girl. A lollipop. Oh, thanks. You sneaked this in? Hide it before someone sees you. Oh, okay. Time to run.
Hold on, mister. You're not going anywhere. What? Why not? Don't ask stupid questions. See the signs? No snacks and no entry without a costume. I'm confiscating this.
Oh, no.
Get out of here.
The rules are pretty strict. And here is Anthony. He doesn't have a costume either. Let's see if that will work out.
Stop. What is this? You have a huge belly like I do. I don't believe it. Aha! You're hiding candy. This is not allowed. Give it to me.
No, no. Hey, I've got an idea.
Hey, come back. What a weirdo.
Anthony is back.
Hey, Hey, you! Ah! What is this? Where's your head? Oh, wait, I see. Nice try. You're trying to hide candy from me again. I'm going to scan you.
Oh no! What will Anthony do?
Ah, nice head. I'd better get going.
What a nice surprise! Looks like no one is guarding the entrance now. Good job, Anthony. Well, that was easy. So good. Oh no! No snacks allowed. Where do I put my fries? Whoa! Watch where you're going. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to. Wait, I have an awesome idea. Seems that Logan liked the plan. I wonder what they are up to. Best friends forever, la 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 la.
Stop, you two! Wow, guys, you are the best combo ever! Ketchup and fries! I want to taste your fries so much, can I?
Oh my! No, please don't!
Just a little…
Logan, do something! Hey, your lips are oily. You'll ruin the costumes. Take a napkin.
Oh, so embarrassing. I was just eating, you know.
Clever. Let's go inside now.
All clean. Hey, where are those two?
So Abigail and Logan managed to get into the best party in town. And look what they were hiding inside the costume. Chips! Now the party is better than ever for everybody.